Welcome to the grill. And tonight, it's flame-kissed grilled chicken night. Yep, they're getting really kissed right now.
Come on in, grab a plate and hold on to your appetite. It's time for Floyd at the Grill.
All right, now we're going to get ready to prep our chicken. We have 4 nice looking chicken legs right here that we're going to prep, and we only use 3 simple ingredients. First, we just get a little bit of olive oil. No, not the one from Popeye, but the actual little bit of olive oil. We put just a little drizzle of olive oil on all the chicken legs, and then we're going to coat it all in that olive oil, so it has a nice little coating all over all 4 of those chicken legs. Then we come in with some Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning, and then we'll dust them up. Nice coating on all 4 legs there, both sides. Get that seasoning in every little place that we get. The olive oil will help the seasoning adhere to the chicken and give it a little bit of a additional flavor to the chicken as well. Once we finish that, we want to give it a little kiss of Papa's Pepper Extreme. Just a little dusting to get a little bit of heat on our chicken here. Now we got our chicken seasoned up, it's time to put them on the grill. Got our temperatures creeping up at 300 degrees and getting up a little bit higher than that. Still getting heated up on our grill because I put a big chunk of hickory in there to add some flavor and get the longevity of the cook of this. This is going to be a direct heat, so we're putting it right over that hickory there, so we'll get in full flavor and full flame kiss there. It is going to be a quick cook on this chicken, so we're just going to let it sit for just a minute or 2, and then we'll come back and flip them over. Temperature's holding steady, getting over around 350 degrees. So we check our chicken. They've only been cooking there for just a couple of minutes. See a lot of smoke coming from this hickory. So go ahead and flip them over and see, and they are getting that nice char on there right there. So yeah, this is a good flame kiss right here. We'll move them over to indirect heat just after this other side gets cooked, because you don't want to cook them too fast. Then they'll be underdone, or they'll be overdone on the outside and underdone on the inside, so you don't want that either. But now the flames are kicking and they're giving it a good kissing. We're going to let it keep a cooking. We got the full force of the grill coming up around 450, 500 degrees. Opened up the vent a little bit to try to keep that temperature down, but we are going to go ahead and check on our chicken here because, yep, they have been really kissed by those flames. Look at that. That is a little extra burnt there, so we're going to go a little extra crispy on our chicken this time. So we're going to take them and go indirect heat now and just pull them off the flames, because we're going to let it cook just a little bit longer. We're going to go horizontal, make sure that they are not over on the flames now. And hit them with that temperature probe, because we can tell this one right now, looking at that color, it's definitely not done yet. So it needs a little bit more heat to keep it, to get more done. Time to take these beautiful drumsticks off the grill. Yeah, I took them with a probe a few minutes ago, and these 3 were just about done. This one, because it was a little bit bigger than the others, needed just a couple more minutes of time and getting closer to the flames, and that did it. That put it over the edge, and it is now done. They are looking gorgeous and juicy, definitely juicy. So we're gonna take these off and let them rest, and then it'll be time to give them a taste. Getting ready to taste our chicken. This was our grilled chicken here. Came out really nicely and not overdone. A little good temperature. And so let's take a bite. My Greek Cavendish seasoning, Cavendish Grill all-purpose Greek seasoning is just on point. And that Papa's Pepper Extreme gave it just enough heat. Look at that, there was a good doneness in there. I got a good color on that chicken. Yeah, this came out very well. Great with any kind of side, and it'll make it a great meal for you. Hope you try it. I had to go in for another bite. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget your favorite beverage. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And I hope to see you next time.
Thanks for watching Floyd at the Grill, a Hilltop Media production.
Got a little heat to it, but it's still good tasty.